Hi everyone, Carol here at Oak House Journals and another subscriber giveaway for you. This time it's these two kits, Lavender and Lace Victorian Designs. This one is an absolutely brand new kit. As you can see, I paid £6.50 for it, oodles of years ago. But I bought this one and I actually got another one given to me as a gift. So I used one, but I've never done anything with this one. So as you can see, it's still sealed and everything. This is a gorgeous kit to do. Oh, it's absolutely lovely. Well, all the lavender and lace ones are, but this one I particularly love doing. It comes out, use some really soft floss in this, and especially for her muff, and it just comes out beautifully. It's the Angel of Winter, this one, and it's quite a big one. Where are we? 14.5 inches by 17 inches. But same as before, it tells you what DMC threads you're going to need. The chart is obviously in here, all your instructions. You also need beads on this one as well, little tiny seed beads. So all the information is given in the kit for you. So that will be one prize. And this is the other prize. And again, you see I paid £6 for these. These lavender and lace ones are still available now. DMC threads are widely available, so you'll have no trouble getting the colours of threads that you need for these kits at all. These kits are probably round about twice the price now, or they're not sold as kits, they're just sold as charts. But these are pre-loved. I've made them up, as I've mentioned previously, so they aren't new, but I'd rather they went to somebody else who would like to try one. So this particular one again is a lovely one. It's this one is called the Angel of Summer, and the size for this one is 14.5 inches by 16.5 inches. Sorry, I was struggling to read there. I wasn't sure if it's 3/4. So it's 14.5 inches by 16.5 inches. And same as with this one, you get the chart, the instructions, and all the information you need about what beads and DMC threads. You also need to be able to do French knots on this one, because if I remember rightly, yeah, you do a little bit of back stitch on this one and French knots, but absolutely gorgeous kits. So I really highly recommend doing these lavender and lace kits. I had hours and hours of fun doing them, and in fact I looked on eBay today and to see if this one was still available. And somebody was selling one of the made-up pictures for an extortionate price. But anyway, have a look. And if you're interested in winning one of these, then all you have to do is, same as previously, firstly, be a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please. And secondly, leave me a comment to this video, and I will be doing a random draw from the comments that are left on the 27th of March next. So thanks so much everybody for watching, and thank you if you're thinking of taking part in the subscriber giveaway. Take care everybody. Bye bye now.